Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will be looking at Foxit PDF Editor tutorial, how to edit, annotate, and convert PDFs. PDF editing has become an essential skill. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who frequently works with digital documents, from filling out forms to reviewing contracts, having the ability to edit PDFs can save you time and effort. However, finding a powerful, easy-to-use, and affordable PDF editor can be a challenge. That is where Foxit PDF Editor comes in. Foxit PDF Editor is a feature-packed tool that allows you to edit, annotate, convert, and secure PDFs with ease. In this tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know about using Foxit PDF Editor in 2025. You will learn how to edit text and images, and annotations, convert PDFs into different formats, and even apply security features like password protection and digital signatures. Whether you need to fix a typo, highlight important sections, or convert a scanned PDF into an editable document, this tutorial has you covered. So what makes Foxit PDF Editor stand out from the rest? Unlike some expensive alternatives like Adobe Acrobat, Foxit is lightweight, fast, and budget-friendly without compromising on powerful features. It even supports OCR, optical character recognition, file compression, and form filling capabilities, making it an all-in-one PDF solution. If you're ready to master Foxit PDF Editor, let's jump right in. By the end of this video, you'll be able to handle PDF like a pro, boosting your productivity and workflow efficiency. Let us get started. Step 1. Getting started with Foxit PDF Editor. Before editing PDFs, you need to set up Foxit PDF Editor and explore its interface. Getting familiar with the toolbar, navigation panel, and menus will make it easier to find key tools. A well-organized interface helps improve efficiency and workflow. Let's go through the setup process to get started. Instructions. Download and install Foxit PDF Editor from the official website. Open the software and explore the home screen to get a feel for the layout. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar, navigation panel, and essential menus to locate key features easily. Now that you have set up the software and explored its interface, you are ready to edit your first PDF. Understanding where everything is located will help you work faster and more efficiently. Next, we will learn how to modify text and images for quick document adjustments. Step 2. Editing text and images in PDFs. Editing PDFs is a common task, whether you need to fix a typo, update content, or modify images. Unlike static documents, Foxit PDF Editor allows you to edit text and images seamlessly, making it feel easy as working with a Word document. Instructions. Click on the Edit tab in the toolbar. Select the text you want to modify and adjust the font size or color as needed. To edit images, click on the image and choose to resize, replace, or delete it. Use the Organize feature to insert, delete, or rearrange pages within your PDF. With these tools, you can modify your PDFs effortlessly, keeping them up to date and professional. Now let's move on to annotating PDFs for better collaboration and review. Step 2. Editing text and images in PDFs. Editing PDFs is an essential task whether you are fixing a typo, updating information, or modifying images. Unlike traditional PDFs that feel static, Foxit PDF Editor lets you edit text and images effortlessly, making it as simple as using a Word document. This flexibility allows you to keep your files accurate, polished, and professional. Instructions. Click on the Edit tab in the toolbar. Select the text you want to modify and adjust the font, size, or color as needed. To edit images, click on the image and choose to resize, replace, or delete it. Use the Organize feature to insert, delete, or rearrange pages within your PDF. With these tools, you can edit and refine your PDF with ease, ensuring they stay up to date and visually appealing. Making changes is quick, efficient, and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on productivity. Now let's move on to annotating PDFs for better collaboration and review. Step 4. Converting PDFs to other formats. There are times when you need to convert a PDF into an editable format like Word, Excel, or even an image file. Whether you are repurposing content, sharing data, or making edits in another program, Foxit PDF Editor makes the conversion process fast and effortless. This feature ensures you can work with your documents in the format that best suits your needs. Instructions. Click on the Convert tab in the toolbar. Select your desired format, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, etc. If the PDF is scanned, use the OCR optical character recognition tool to make the text editable. Click Save As and choose a location for your converted file. With Foxit easy-to-use conversion tools, you can quickly switch between PDFs and other file formats, making document management much more flexible and efficient. This feature is especially useful for editing reports, extracting tables, or sharing presentations. Next, let us explore some advanced features to further enhance your workflow. Step 5. Advanced Features and Security. Foxit PDF Editor goes beyond basic editing by offering powerful features to enhance productivity and security. You can protect your PDFs with passwords, merge multiple files, split large documents, and compress PDFs to save space. These tools ensure your files are well organized and secure. Instructions. Navigate to the Protect tab to add passwords and restrict editing access. Use the Merge tool to combine multiple PDFs into a single document. Split large PDFs into smaller sections for easier sharing. Compress PDFs to reduce file size without compromising quality. With these advanced features, you can streamline your workflow and secure important documents like a pro. Now, let's wrap up everything we have learned. And that's it. You have now learned how to edit, annotate, convert, and secure PDFs using Foxit PDF Editor like a pro. Whether you need to modify text, highlight important sections, merge multiple PDFs, or convert a document into another format, you now have all the tools you need to handle PDFs efficiently. One of the reasons Foxit PDF Editor stands out is its powerful yet user-friendly interface, making PDF editing as simple as working with a Word document. Unlike other editors that can feel clunky or slow, Foxit provides a smooth, intuitive experience that allows you to edit text, adjust images and comments for collaboration, highlight key points, and even apply digital signatures for official paperwork. But Foxit PDF Editor isn't about basic editing. This also comes with advanced features that take productivity to the next level. With its OCR, optical character recognition tool, you can convert scanned PDFs into fully editable documents, making it perfect for digitalizing old paperwork or extracting text from images. Plus, the ability to convert PDFs into Word, Excel, or image formats ensures that you can work with your documents in whatever way suits you best. Security is another major strength of Foxit PDF Editor. If you're handling confidential documents, you can protect your files with passwords, restrict editing permissions, and even apply redaction to remove sensitive information. Additionally, Foxit allows you to compress large PDFs to save storage space without compromising quality, especially useful for sending files via email or storing them on cloud services. Beyond its functionality, Foxit PDF Editor is also a cost-effective alternative to expensive software like Adobe Acrobat. You get a lightweight, fast, and feature-rich editor without the hefty price tag, making it an excellent choice for students, professionals, and business alike. And that is all there is on how to edit, annotate, and convert PDFs using Foxit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.